How to create VK account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a VK account quickly and easily. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the VK app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the VK app, just tap on the sign up option which can be seen in the bottom of the screen. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you tap on it, on the next page, you have to enter your phone number. So enter your phone number for verification. And once you're done with it, you can just tap on continue. And after that, you'll receive an SMS code. So enter it to verify your number. And after that, on the next page, create a strong password for your VK account. And after that, just tap next to continue. And with that, you can add profile photo, birthday, and interest. And this can be skipped and added later as well. And once you're done with everything, you can just tap on done or finish. And after that, your VK account will be ready to use. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.